Welcome to the Xpediter TSO Using Scripts for Interactive Testing module. Here you will learn how the use of scripts can make your interactive testing sessions more efficient by eliminating redundant keystrokes and allowing reuse of the commands established during a previous testing session. A script is a predefined stream of Xpediter commands. Scripts are used to initialize a debugging session. This is called an initial script. To execute commands during a debugging session. This is called a test script. And to execute commands at the end of a debugging session. This is called a postscript. Let's have a look at how this works. During an Xpediter interactive testing session, an active script file is built automatically by Xpediter. It contains Xpediter commands recorded as used during the test. This recording process cannot be disabled. The file is not accessible during the test, but may be saved or deleted when testing is complete. Optionally, a static user-built script file may be used to supply Xpediter commands to be used during testing. These are called initial, post, and test scripts. We will now take a closer look at the script datasets. We need to navigate to the Xpediter setup menu. In this example, we begin at the standard screen. From the setup menu, the Includes option allows maintenance of the list of static script libraries, while the Script option allows setting the parameters for the active script file. We will look at both. The Test Script Libraries panel displays the partitioned datasets containing initial, post, and test scripts. They may be fixed, blocked with record length of 80, or variable and blocked with record length of 255. The Script Dataset panel allows a user to specify a name for the static dataset. If left blank, the default name will be in the format shown. The most important parameters here are the after and before dispositions. Note the Prompt option, which allows for the user to determine the disposition at the appropriate time during the testing session. Now we will have a look at the mechanics of building a script. We begin in a testing session and enter a keep command. Then we enter another keep command, then another keep command, and finally we exit the testing session. Having exited the test, we see that the log and script were created. We enter the command to edit the script. In the editor, note the generated script file name. The content includes one comment and two breakpoints put in by Xpediter. Since we are interested in only the keep commands, we delete the first 3 lines. That done, we end the edit session. On the ensuing disposition screen, we choose the copy option and the target PDS and member name, then press enter. We then see the confirmation message. The script is now ready for use. Now we will look at using scripts, beginning with using an initial script. On the standard screen, we enter the member name, keeps, for the script just built. As the test begins, the 3 kept variables all appear in the keep window. Although this is the same as having entered the commands manually, keep in mind that using a retest command will reinstall the same kept variables. Had they been entered manually, a retest would delete them and they would have to be re-entered manually. The Batch Connect screen provides for script entry, as does the multi-batch screen. Next, we will look at using a test script. In this example, no initial script or postscript will be used, but both are allowed when using a test script. Now positioned at the beginning of a test, we enter a go command. The number chosen, 25, is not important. It only serves to illustrate that a test script may be used at any point during a test. We are now a bit into the program. The current line contains one variable which appears in the keep window. We next use the include command followed by the member name in the script library. The abbreviation INC may be used as well. Using this command immediately retrieves the command set contained in the script. The result is shown here. The variables are added to the keep window as requested by the keep commands in the script. In our look at using a postscript, we will use an initial script as well. Postscripts, of course, may be used without initial scripts. Before entering the test, we will look at the script contents. The initial script, count pre, contains one command, count all paragraphs. The postscript, count post, also contains only one command, show counts. Upon entering the test, we see a counter on the mainline paragraph resulting from the initial script. Entering a go command takes us to test completion. Note the final count for the process data paragraph. We then exit the test. Outside the test, we see that the log and scripts were created. We enter the log command to browse the log. Viewing the log, we see the command from the initial script, the command from the postscript, and the results of the show counts command. We now present a scenario using an initial script and a test script. Here we see a copybook that is shared by many programs. It would be beneficial to use a script that will keep specific variables in the copybook, another variable, records read, and counts for all paragraphs. Here is the initial script to do just that. There are also subroutines to test on occasion. In those cases, the monitor facility is required, as is keeping another variable. The test script containing the appropriate commands is shown. Here, a test is launched with the appropriate initial script. We see that numerous variables appear in the keep window, and a counter has been set for the mainline paragraph. After reading 5 records, we include the test script. We next see that the monitor has been enabled, and the source for the first subroutine is displayed. Also, per the intercept command, the before and after breakpoints are set. We use the locate command to return to the current execution point in the main program. No further analysis is included in this scenario. More information pertaining specifically to scripts is available on Frontline. In the various user guides, refer to the Getting Started section. In the reference manual, see the Include command section. This concludes this module. Thank you.